modular arithmetic. So in this case, we're going to learn how to add and subtract binary numbers. Yeah. So this is quite easy in my opinion. You just have to be very careful how you add. Yeah. It can be tricky too. I can't lie. Now, what do we need to take note of this? What's the difference between adding these numbers instead of regular base 10 numbers? Well, one thing we have to know is that when we use regular numbers, it always starts from 0 and goes up in 1. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. And eventually when it hits 9, it ends. When you get 10 or greater, we always seem to carry the 1 to the next digit. Now, it's kind of the same here. For binary, we only have 0s and 1. So what happens when you get a number bigger than 1? Well, you can think of it as the next digit, which is 10, or 0, 1, 0. After 10, you get 11. What happens after 11? Well, you carry the next one, it becomes 100. Then you get 101, and so on. But luckily, we'll only probably go as far as 11. Possibly. Actually, no, we'll probably go 10 at most, because 1 plus 1 will give you 10. Okay? Think of this as the second digit. So this is the second, third, and so on, yeah? So when you have two ones, you make it 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. So let's just try this out, yeah? So first things first, I'm going to add these two first and then subtract the next one later. So let's write it down neatly. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so start from the right hand side. So we're going to have 1 plus 1 will give us in binary 10. So it'll be 0, carry the 1. 1 plus nothing plus 1 gives us 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 gives us 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus the extra 1 is 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus another 1 is 11. That's it. So you get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now, using this one, let's subtract the next one. So this has 5 digits, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now we gotta be very careful. So just like regular subtraction, you may need to borrow. You have to borrow from the next digit if the number is smaller than the one you're subtracting. So for example, 0 take away 0 is fine. Nothing take away nothing is nothing. Now 0 take away 1 you cannot do because it's smaller. So you need to borrow from his neighbor and you can't. So you borrow from the next one. So borrowing from this 1, you got nothing left. Give to him is 10. So cancelling 10 down, it's like the second. Now you have 1 left. Give him the 1, cancel the 10, you're left with 1, give him the extra 1. So now you got 10, oops, actually I think I went too far there. Oopsie, yep, that's where we are. So 10 take away 1 gives us 1. So think of this one, the second take away the first gives us 1 left. Or think of this as 2 sets of 1s, 2 single ones. Now 10 take away 1 is 1, nothing take away 1 you can't do, so you borrow from here, becomes a 10. 10 take away 1 is 1, you can't do so borrow from here, give him the 1, and you get 10 take away 1, which is 1. So this should be your final result. So it looks kind of similar. It's hard to tell like how big these values really are, but this is what you should get. It's always good to double check on Google and stuff. And anyways, but let me know what you guys get. If you get the same idea, excellent. But other than that, if you enjoyed it, leave me a like, subscribe.